Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. So installing Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11 is just a straightforward process. And for you to be able to begin, so as you can see, we're currently onto Visual Studio Code already onto my PC in here. But if you want to install this onto your end as well, you'll just need to go ahead and use their installer. Now to download that, just head onto your local browser and go to Visual Studio Code's website. So you could just simply search Visual Studio Code onto your local browser in there, or you could go ahead and directly type code.visualstudio.com for that one. So as you can see, you'll get redirected onto this link. And then right after, if you've noticed, there is a download option in here. There is also a download option here onto the left side. So you could click onto wherever you like, but you could go ahead and click onto this drop down arrow to go ahead and choose if you're not using Windows. So this one will go ahead and directly download it for Windows, but you have different operating systems as well in here, like Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. So you'll just have to go ahead and click onto which one is suitable for your device. So right after that, if you click onto this, it will initiate the download onto your device. So you could go ahead and see also an overview onto how you should do it, a setup guide, and a get started guide once you have clicked onto that. So you could just go ahead and follow those steps that you could see in here to go ahead and set this one up. So you'll just need to wait for this one to be downloaded onto your device. Once it is installed, you could actually see this one in here just like that. So the next thing that you need to do is just locate the file or the downloaded file. So we could click onto this folder icon in here. And right after that, you'll just have to click onto this one to run the installer. So this will go ahead and prompt the user account control to make some changes onto your device to completely install this application. So you'll just need to follow the installation wizard since it will guide you through the installation process. Just read on through the steps and choose your preferred options such as installation location and whether to add shortcuts to the start menu or desktop. So you should be able to find something like this, like the agreement and many more. So you'll just need to go ahead and follow in the prompts and you'll just need to wait for the installation to complete. So this might take a few moments. You'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. So once the installation is already finished onto your device, you may see an option to go ahead and launch the Visual Studio Code immediately. So you can choose to do so or just close the installer. And that is just basically it on how you install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10 or 11. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.